The Unica Anterior Matrix, the newest addition to the Directa Dental Group family, is a cutting-edge product designed specifically for anterior restorations. Developed after Directa's recent acquisition of Polydentia, a Swiss leader in matrix products, the Unica system addresses a common issue in dental practices, using the same matrix for both anterior and posterior restorations. While traditional matrices can be less effective for anterior teeth, Unica's anatomically contoured design ensures a perfect fit for the unique shape of these teeth. Ideal for direct composite veneers and Class 3, 4, and 5 anterior restorations, the Unica system saves time by enabling dentists to restore interproximal and cervical margins simultaneously with a single matrix. It's particularly effective for achieving tight contact surfaces and closing diastemas. Made from ultra-thin stainless steel, Unica is both durable and flexible, ensuring that once positioned, it remains stable while shaping, providing a clear visual of the final result before beginning work. Its precision and ease of use make it a game changer for achieving the perfect Hollywood smile. By collaborating with the Style Italiano dental community, Unica is poised to transform anterior restorative procedures. For dental professionals seeking reliability and accuracy, the Unica Anterior Matrix is the tool that will change the way anterior restorations are done.